Now, how to edit images using Reve AI. You can see the image I just uploaded here. Watch to the end to know everything. Now here you can see here this icon here. These icons are used to add up the edit. Like here, you can here select a particular place here. You can here drag the annotated here or the part you want to make visible. You can see and describe how you want it to be, how you want the AI to make it to look like. Here you can remove it by clicking the icon again here, or you can just delete it like this. Also here you can also edit the text here, the text, this icon here, add a crayon to it, can remove it or edit it here. You can remove it or edit the color or delete it like this. You can see this is feature just to add up to it. You can see and upload here. This is feature to add up to the text. Here you can upload a file like image on it. If you depending on how you want to edit it here. Also here you can also see here is different types of color you can add to it in order to make it look good here. Like here you can add this one, and here you can see the color, how it apply the color. And see second is used to add color, light color, any color. Like the AI will just create the different type color that might suit the image here, and then you can click on anyone and select it. Also you can edit the text here like this. You can edit the image also like this by clicking on it like this, editing it. Before you can add up the color like here, you must first complete editing the image. Let me delete it like this. But in case you can also edit the image like this and drag it to any side you want it to be like this. You can see you can drag it here. You select the image here, drag it to any place you want it to be, and see the matrix. You can see the matrix line. Now after dragging it, what you do now is to click on apply. After setting the drag here, click on apply, and also you can every part of it you can edit it. Like the image is all yours for you to edit here. Even the text here, and drag the text here, and see, and drag it to any place you want. Now after dragging, or what you do now here, this is just an example. What you do now here is to here click on apply. After editing the image here, you click on apply and wait for the AI to add all the drags and you edit to the image. You can also here, while the AI is applying it, you can also here see your previous edit here, image you edited here. By clicking this icon here, you can see the previous image you edited here like this. Then you can view it more by clicking on it again here. You can see here, you can re-edit it and then download it again here, and see, can re-edit it and then download it again and see the feature, and then download it again. You can add and you can also upload, generate images here by clicking this icon here, and then generate image you want like this. Let me type it and then explain. Now here, and then send it here, and then wait for it to generate here. It will generate the image here. Here is where you can edit, and see how I edited it here. Even when it is creating the image, you can here edit some things here. Then click on edit here, describe how you want the edit to be. and then click on good here, and then click on apply here. So but here is where your RAM getting. This will process faster depending on how fast your device RAM is. It will process faster. You can see I have clicked on apply, still yet it's still processing. As you can see, it is applying it. Now as you can see, it have applied here. You can see and rearrange image in case, change position, and then click on apply. This is just to edit it. Click on apply. You can generate by here by asking it. You can edit by here by tapping on the image and edit the part you want to edit here. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. Now check out the next video.